this mini unit, we are going over inequalities. A linear equality, the definition is two expressions where both quantities are not necessarily equal to each other. So one example is 5x is less than 25, and another example is 3x minus 2 is less than or equal to 20. The solution is going just to be our answer. For less than, we use this symbol right here. And when we have the less than sign, it's an answer that includes all the numbers less than the given number. So an example right here, we have x is less than 5. Our next inequality symbol is greater than. And this is an answer that includes all numbers greater than the given number. So right here we have x is greater than 5. We also have less than or equal to. So the answer can include the given number and all numbers less than it. So for example, x is less than or equal to 7. And our last definition, we have greater than or equal to. So our answer that includes the given numbers and all the numbers greater than it. So our example is x is greater than or equal to 7. So once we have an inequality, you'll be able to graph it on a number line. When an inequality uses less than or greater than, there is an open circle placed on a number line. We place an open circle to signify that a number is not part of the solution set. Next, you want to shade the side of the number line that is the solution. So right now, if we look at example 1, you can see that we want to place an open circle on 8. And now if we read, we have x is less than 8. So we want to shade on the left side of the number line. So now if we plug in a value on this side, so we plug in 4 for x, 4 is less than 8. So we know that we are correct. If we look over at example 2, we have x is greater than 3. So again, we want to have an open circle because we do not have is equal to. And then we want to shade to the right since x is greater than 3. Again, we can choose a number from the right side, plug it in for x, and see if it's true. 7 is in fact greater than 3, so we know we are good. Now, when an inequality uses less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, there is a closed circle placed on the number line. This just signifies that the number is part of the solution set. So for here, example 1, y is greater than or equal to 4. We want to go to 4 and close our circle, shade it in. And now y is greater than or equal to, so we want to shade on the right side. Again, we can pick a number and plug it in. So 8 for y is greater than or equal to 4, and we know that is true. For example 2, y is less than or equal to 0. We know we want to shade in our circle at 0. And now since y is less than or equal to, we are shading on the left side. And we can choose a number from that side of the number line and plug it in. So we have negative 2 for y is less than or equal to 0, and that is true.